Today the recipe is mango mousse.
2 ingredients only. I'm going to use half a kilo of mango pulp in a can, and I'm going to use the natural yogurt, and this one is coconut club because I really like it, and each pot has 350 grams. You can use natural and another flavor like mango, sometimes is mango and passion fruit, papaya, and all of these flavors are great. So use them as well sometimes when they are available, gluten-free and lactose-free. So now I'm just going to pour all the ingredients in a bowl, and then I just have to mix them together. To add yogurt. So this is like the simplest dessert ever and so tasty. Oh my goodness. And then you can be very creative. You can add fruit or chocolate. Well, and then of course I will recycle everything. We have everything that is recyclable actually. Foiled pot and sleeve. Amazing. I like it. It's very good. This is recyclable as well, so, and it's plant-based. So this is a vegan dessert. Second one. Of course, this is perfect for a party, or if you want to have it every day for a large family, as you wish. Go. Second one, I put all this good stuff away. So good. So good. Top notch. And now I'm serving with love, and I'm going to take advantage to say thank you so much for your likes, comments, and shares. It helps so much the channel, and I would love to know which kind of recipes we'd like to see, which countries would you like to know. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe because it's completely for free. Sometimes I look at things and I see pictures and I see something here. What do you see? Write in comments. I would love to know. It's like watching the clouds, see? Message on dessert. So good. Delicious.